We are going to overhaul this motor. You can see here is this motor. This is some 1 kilowatt or a fraction of kilowatt. So we are going to put new bearings in. So this bearing had been come off of the motor. This is something 6204 RZ, and we are putting 6204 ZZ. Well, we are going to make it in workshop, so there are procedures are different, but here as we are going to make it on site, so the procedure is a little bit different.
Okay.
Now we have a pipe. So with a pipe it is easy to put in. Hammering is required. So with this holly hammer we are going to fix the bearing in, and it had been fixed it properly. Now we are fixing the end cover. Now we are fixing it in motors, and then end cover we will fix by screws. A little bit hammering is required, but the important thing is your motor should be free. We are fixing all three bolts in. So this is a drive end side, because this is a fan and the fan will come over here. So this is a drive end side, and now non-drive end side there is a small fan for the motor cooling. That also we will be fixing later on. Here is a lock for this one. This is a circlip, so we need some lock plier or a screwdriver to fix this lock. So on the site we can use a screwdriver also. A small screwdriver can do it. Actually for doing such things
require that
skill is the skill is needed, because this guy had a nice skill in such a field. He had tons of experience. I mean, some 60 years experience in this field. Now we are fixing the non-driven side. All the three bolts we are going to fix. So this is the way we are doing it in the site. We are not shifting the motor to the workshop. Instead, on site we are doing this. Now we are firmly tightening all the bolts using a socket. 11mm socket is required. Now is the time for the key. We are going to put in the key on the shaft. Now we are fixing the cooling disc for this fan. This is a plastic cooling fan or cooling disc. So by this way, by hammering it will go in, and then there is a circlip or C-lock. We will fix that. A little bit hammering is required. So now it's fixed, perfectly fixed, and now we are going to fix this circlip or lock, so that the fan will be settled in its place and it will not come off during running. With the help of a screwdriver we can do it. Now we are fixing the front fan which this motor is running. This is actually the fan which is run by this motor. So we are fixing it using a bolt. There is a special bolt for this one, and there is a locking washer downside. A firm tight is required here. So firmly secured and tight. Now is the time to fix the inside the fan cover. With the help of screws we are going to fix this fan cover. So this was the procedure on this fan. We overhauled the motor and we fixed back everything. The new bearings we put it in on the shaft, and we overhauled this fan. Now it will be ready to go to service. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and then subscribe my channel. Also press on the bell icon so that you will get my notification on each upload. Thank you for watching.